What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on air. This is your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX. I want to talk about, this is top German 30 CFD, you understand? So, this is a daily chart. I've done this analysis for a very, very long time, and the market is reacting just like forecasted, you understand? So, this new week, I'm going to tell you what the market is going to do. So, the market will come down, it will hit this point, then from there to start going up. Please, people, watch the market just like I forecast. You understand, the market should come like maximum this week, it should come to 1288 to 0.7. You understand, then it will reverse. You get it? This is what I see, there, because the downtrending strength is not there, the bearish trending strength is not there. Please, people, before we continue, please, I'll very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on my YouTube channel and other social media, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat as well. I'll really appreciate it. So it's at ifx.com. I'm sorry, it's at ifx. So if you feel like asking me any question, you could just like give me a call on Skype at ifx. I'll pick it up and I'll talk to you. You get it? So let's get down to business. Now, this is a German 30 CFD daily chart. So just like I analyzed, I said the market is going to hit this point, it's definitely going to come down a little bit, and it will hit this point, then it will reverse. I don't know. This is what is there. This market might open around 5 p.m. here, you understand, or it might wait to open in the midnight around 12 a.m. You get it? But from what I can see is that this market is like 80% going to open 5 p.m. today. You understand? So let's talk about the market trending line. What's it called? The candlestick that confirmed, that solidified this action. You understand? The candlestick that really confirmed that the market is going on. You could see how I drew the trend line and all that. People use Fibonacci, people use different kind of indicators. I don't use indicators. I'm sorry to say I don't use indicators. You understand? It depends on how they train you. It depends on the kind of training and the kind of experience that you individually build for yourself after your training. So here's what it is. So the strength that confirmed, that solidified that this market is an uptrending market. The first strength was here. You understand? It was in this circle. So I drew these things. I drew it like more than a month ago. All this, I drew it more than a month ago, and the market did exactly as forecasted. Exactly. No addition, no subtraction. You understand? I really thank God, for giving me this grace, have mercy on me at least, giving me the grace to learn this thing at least better. So from what I could see, how do I know that this market will come down and get to this point? You understand? The market, the candle that solidified the market is here. You understand? I don't want to mention the name of the candle. I'm so sorry. It's a kind of business policy kind of thing. You understand? But the things that indicate that the market is going up is right here in this circle, in this very circle that my candlestick is rounded. You understand? So from there, the market's built another momentum that is coming down, but it's not going to be strong. You understand? So once it hit the ground, it's bouncing back up. You can see I drew it already, that nothing can stop it. It's all the way up. So should the market open, this very candle is going to come bearish. It's going to come bearish a little bit. This candle is going to end this midnight. You understand? It's going to end this midnight. So should it now form another bearish candle, it will hit this place. But it's possible for it to form a bullish candle and continue its crusade earlier. Let's say by Tuesday or Wednesday. It might continue uptrend this very week. But to me, I'm setting a buy a buy stop here. You understand? I'm setting a buy stop here. I've not set it yet, people. I'm in the market, but I've not set another trade. I'm setting a buy stop here because I believe this market is still going up. So should it come down maximum, it will hit this point and it will reverse. It will come this point as a bearish, then it will reverse bullish again. This is what I see in this German CFD 30. You understand? German 30 CFD. This is what I see there. So let's go to the past and see what really make the crusade of this market, to solidify itself to this point. You get it? So let's come to the back. There are many things that happen. There are many things that make this market gallops, that make this market, prove its solidification. You get it? So here, I am not talking of, I am not saying one thing about me. I don't trade news, be it in the stock market, be it in the forex market, be it in the cryptocurrency market. I don't trade news. I don't know of other people, but I don't trade news. You understand? It's my policy. You understand? So I was able, God gave me the grace. I was able to build my mind up to that state. You get it? This is how I see it. I'm so sorry. I don't mean it in a bad way, but I don't trade news. So let's go back. So here's what it is. You understand? When the market come up to this extent, what really makes me believe that the market is going to come to this point? You get it? So what really makes me believe that this market is going to bounce back up, what really makes me believe that this market is going to bounce back up was the candlestick. This 3 candlestick confirms it, that this market is going to bounce back up. But when it got to this place, it proves to me that the market will go down. You understand? How down it will be, I know it's not going to break this point, but I know it's going to go down, which it does in 2 days. You understand? On the 17th of August 2020, it start to form another momentum that it wants to go up, but the downtrending strength was still there. The bearish strength and trading strength was still there. You understand? So on let's see, on September 1st, the market is trying to prove itself that it wants to reverse. September 2nd, it tried to prove itself to that it wants to reverse. Then September 3rd, it formed a bearish candle again. Again, but what is there is that the bearish is not solidified. So all this very circular zone that I'm putting my candlestick, starting from this very point to these very points that we are, you understand? Let's say it starts from it start from the 3rd of June till on the 17th to 15th of October. You understand? There was a war within 3rd of June and 17th of October within this range. You understand? They fight different wars and they show different things to themselves, that this is how this market is going to be. What's the decision of this market? The bearish, the bearish side, the sellers, they are much, the sellers are much, the buyers are much. So the decision for the market to move to to move to bearish or to move to bullish wasn't really there. You get it? The bearish are dragging it, the bullish are dragging it. So the bullish have a breakthrough on the 13th of October. So it comes down. It's not really much, but it comes down let me see, from here 131.68. It came down 131.68 till 114.92. 131.68 plus divided by 114.92. You understand? So it's left let's say more than 100 pips. Anyway, more than 100 pips. Let's just say 121 pips or something like that. The bearish was able to pull it down, but the bullish, solidify its action within this place, within this circle. It goes up back, it proves itself, it goes up back. But this very side, another war started on the 11th of November. It was trying to they start raging within each other. They start raging within each other. Bullish and bearish, the buyers and the sellers, they start raging within each other, but it wasn't solidified. There's no solidification that the market will go down, it will go up. You understand? But at this very point, there are some things that this market is proving and is showing us that the market is going up. You get it? there are some things that the market is trying to prove and showing us that the market is going up. You get it? The market will come down first. It will definitely come down first. It will definitely come down first. But once it comes down, maximum should it come down to come to this very point. This is where I'm setting my buy stop. You get it? So maximum should it come down. I'm in the market. Please don't make a mistake. I'm in the market. I'm trading a specific trade as we speak. Not with this broker. Please understand. But the market is going to go down and it's going to hit maximum this point and it will reverse back up. You get it? So this is what I see for this week. It might not reverse back up this week because there's a rage within the buyers and the sellers at the moment, but it will definitely take this action within this week or next week. You understand? It might reverse uptrend early and it might shoot beyond this very point. It might shoot beyond 1288.9. It might shoot below it a little bit, but it's not going anywhere because the market is definitely going to reverse up. So people, please let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in this market. Let me know what you believe that is going to happen in this very stock market. You understand? So just let me know. Just let me know what you see. Just let me know how you believe the market is going to work, how you believe the market is going to set itself. Please people, I really appreciate it. Just like I've been saying, if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on my YouTube channel and Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. Just show me, just show your boy some love, show your boy some love, show your boy some, something that will really, some things that will really make me appreciate you guys more. You understand? I appreciate everybody, but I really, really, really need your support and love to continue this crusade as we speak. You get it? So people, let's just shift back a little bit and let's see what we have to do in this very point. You understand? Let's go to, I'm coming. Sorry, I'm coming. What do I see within this place within May 2019, May 3rd, 2019 till February 21, 2020. What do I see in this place? Well, I'll tell you what I see. What I see is that the market was climbing up in the favor of US dollar, but Japanese yen was really able to fight it. I believe this should be the coronavirus period. Japanese yen really makes some promising action. It really reveals some promising action within 20th of February 2020. It makes some promise in reverse, and what really confirmed the reverse is within this very candle. Within this candle here, like let's say, let me count first. I started from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 17 candlestick confirms that the market is going down, which it went down. You understand? So I don't know how you see this market, but I'm telling you how I see it and what I believe is going to happen next in the market, which is very, very, which is like 80%, not even like 80% sure. You understand? I believe it's going to be like 100% sure that the market is going to take this turn. You get it? So it might just shoot up, but it's not just shooting up like that. It's definitely going to reverse. You understand? Because non-farm period will still try to prove itself. We still try to shoot up early, but the market is definitely going to reverse should it want to reverse. But please, people, note. Just like I said, it's an uptrending market. Please just note it. It's an uptrending market. This is what I see here in the market. So please let me know what you see, what you believe is going to happen. Please people, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you in my next video. You understand? Please Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button for your boy. Show your boy some love. I'll see you on my next video. This is David live from IFX Studio. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your love. So trade safe, trade wise. Don't be greedy. God help us all. I'll see you in my next video, people. Thanks. Have a good one.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.